Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Steam shortcut. So in the very essence it is extremely easy to do. So first of all I'm going to close Steam like this, and I'm going to go here into the Windows search bar and I'm going to type in Steam. Then you have to look for the Steam under which it says app, and then you're going to right click on it, or you can click here, open file location. Once you do that, it's going to direct you directly to the shortcut of the executable file, and you can just copy and paste, and you're going to create another one, and then you can just hold it and drag it outside into your desktop. So when I click on it, it's just going to pop up here. So that's one thing. What you can also do is you can move it into the Windows, taskbar. So you can pin it here as well. And once I click on it, it also pops here. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.